Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want your website to rank better on Google, setting your SEO title and meta description is more than essential. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do that in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way and look for webflow.com. Then tap on the website, go all the way to the editor, then open basically this pages section. So for example, you want to optimize and open the home here. We're gonna go and tap on settings. We have multiple options, public. We have this SEO settings. Specify this page title and description. You can see how they will look in search engine, results pages, and basically every other detail. So it's time now to enter your SEO title. Basically write a clear keyword focused title here. Then there is the meta description. It summarizes your page in basically 150 to 160 characters. Then preview the Google snippet. So basically the preview gonna show up here. After being basically checking everything is looking good, you can go all the way to tap on save here. We have this save, you can even save it as a draft, it depends on you. Then publish your website, since SEO updates only go live after publishing. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.